In this video, I'm going to discuss a new topic, and that new topic is all about quartiles. Before we proceed to the computation of quartiles, it is very important for you to know first the meaning of quartiles. Sometimes when we are presenting or analyzing a data set, it is very helpful to group the data into several groups. For example, para makapag-create tayo ng 4 equal groups, kailangan natin ng values na mag-i-split or magde-divide ng ating dataset into 4 equal groups. Imagine this line is a dataset, and all of the data in our dataset are arranged from the lowest value to the highest value, meaning to say, in ascending order. Para makagawa ng 4 na equal groups, we need to have 3 cuts. By having 3 cuts, 4 groups are formed. Ito yung first group, ito yung second group, ito yung third group, at ito yung fourth group. Now, itong mga cut-off points na ito, yan yung tinatawag natin na quartiles. This is called as first quartile. This is called as second quartile. And this is called as a third quartile. So that means quartiles are values that divide the data into quarters. Or ito yung mga values na magdi-divide or mag-i-split ng ating dataset into 4 groups. That is the meaning of quartiles. Sa mean, merong mean for group data at mean for ungrouped data. Sa median, merong median for group data and median for ungrouped data. Sa quartiles, meron ding quartiles for ungrouped data and quartiles for group data. But in this video, I will only discuss quartiles for ungrouped data. Quartiles for group data will be discussed in a separate video. To compute the quartiles for ungrouped data, use the following formula. Q sub k is the quartile, n is the population, or if only a sample is given, then n is the sample. And k is the quartile location. Okay, let's now apply the formula. Find the first, second, and third quartiles of the ages of 9 middle management employees of a certain company. The ages are 53, 45, 59, 48, 54, 46, 51, 58, and 55. In order to find the first, second, and third quartiles, the first step is to arrange the data in order or in ascending order. The lowest value is 45 and the highest value is 59. Therefore, the starting point is 45. We have 45, 46, 48, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58, and 59. After arranging the data in order, the next step is to select the first, second, and third quartiles value using the formula. The formula is quartile is equal to quartile location times the population or sample plus 1 divided by 4. I-compute muna natin yung first quartile. Since yung first quartile yung hinahanap, the quartile location is equal to 1. And since there are 9 ages, the value of n is equal to 9. Therefore, the first quartile is equal to 1 times n plus 1 over 4. I-substitute lang natin yung value ng n. 1 times 9 plus 1 divided by 4. 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10, times 1, that is equal to 10. 10 divided by 4, that is equal to 2.5. Next, i-compute naman natin yung second quartile. Since second quartile yung hinahanap, the quartile location is equal to 2. The second quartile is equal to 2 times n plus 1 divided by 4. Substitute the value of n. That will become 2 times 9 plus 1 divided by 4. 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10 times 2, that is equal to 20. And 20 divided by 4, that is equal to 5. For the third quartile, the quartile location is equal to 3. The third quartile is equal to 3 times n plus 1 divided by 4. Substitute the value of n. 3 times 9 plus 1 divided by 4. 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10, times 3, that is equal to 30. And 30 divided by 4, that is equal to 7.5. After that, the next step is to identify the first, second, and third quartiles values in the data set. The data in ascending order are 45, 46, 48, 51, 53, 54, 55, 58, and 59. The first quartile is equal to 2.5. Therefore, the 2.5th value falls between 46 and 48 because there is a remainder or decimal. Walang problema dun sa second quartile kasi the second quartile is equal to 5. Therefore, the fifth value is 53. The third quartile is equal to 7.5. Therefore, the 7.5th value falls between 55 and 58. Since the 2.5th falls between 46 and 48, and the 7.5th falls between 55 and 58, we can determine the first and third quartiles of the dataset by getting the average of the two values. Unahin nating i-compute yung first quartile. Since the 2.5th value falls between 46 and 48, i-average natin yung 46 and 48. So that will become 46 plus 48 divided by 2. 46 plus 48, that is equal to 94. And 94 divided by 2, that is equal to 47. Sa third quartile naman, i-average natin yung 55 at 58. 55 plus 58 divided by 2, that is equal to 113 divided by 2. 113 divided by 2, that is equal to 56.5. Therefore, the first quartile is equal to 47, the second quartile is equal to 53, and the third quartile is equal to 56.5.